is this crucial Bitcoin support holding based here on the volume bar that we are seeing here, or will we actually break through this and head here into lower levels? That is something that I want to talk about, and I found something really incredible on higher time frames that I definitely want to show to you guys. And guys, let me show you this. I am only 17 subscribers away from 29,000 subscribers on my channel. I would really highly appreciate if you guys would subscribe to the channel and also like this video and activate the notification bell when you subscribe to the channel, so that we can get here even more reach to push my videos out into the crypto community, so that more people can see what's actually happening in the market and getting educated. So I would highly appreciate if we could get today to 29,000 subscribers. That would absolutely make my day, guys. And now let's get here straight into the content. So here on the 1 hourly chart, so we can clearly see that Bitcoin got here rejected, like I said a couple days, the last couple days already, that $41,700 was a crucial level for Bitcoin to stay above this. So and we got here rejected, moved here into this former resistance, and then flipped support, and now again resistance zone. So I have again to change the color. I think it was this one here, yeah. So, and from there, we actually broke further down into the next smaller support zone here, just based on the price chart. So, and from there we saw here a couple attempts to break here higher again. So, but unfortunately we failed, and now we are staying here in this lower support range and going here sideways. So, but based on the volume profile here, these bars here on the side, based on the volume profile, this is actually a key area for Bitcoin to hold. So, and if we would lose this area, we would more or less go here into a free fall. So here, this color. So let me show it to you guys. Sorry. I hate when things like this happening. So, okay. So we would here more or less go into a free fall to, in the worst case, to like $35,000, because there would be the next longest volume bar here after we break this. Obviously, here's some volume bars below, you know, so all the way down here to $37,700 approximately. But if we lose that level, we most likely will directly fall all the way down here to $35,000. So it's really crucial that the Bitcoin price can sustain and get supported here from this volume area, and see here a further move back to the upside. So unfortunately, I cannot show you today Ethereum because of my stupid internet connection that I have here, because I have to use my phone. And as you can see here, I am living quite high up. So, and because I live so high up, the internet connection here is not the best. I wanted to show you a lot of other things today, but yeah, because I have a really bad internet connection up here, I have actually to wait until it will be on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I finally get here a proper internet connection installed. They could not get, for some reason here, signal the last time when they were here. And that's why I had to wait for a week until they can fix this and come then on Tuesday and install my internet here. So, but I promise you, on Tuesday, I have some really juicy altcoins that I'm going to show you. So be prepared for that. So now let's get back here into Bitcoin. Because I've obviously also found here on the daily chart something. So we have retested here the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level here at $39,667, and we get rejected from there. So which is something that we obviously don't want to see. And now we most likely will retest here once again the Fibonacci retracement level, and then most likely get a bounce from there back to the upside. So, and once we are going here back to the Fibonacci retracement level, there I will actually look for a long position, to open there a long position for that bounce back to the upside, because I believe, and I will show you now in a second why I believe this, I believe that from there we will actually see our bounce back to the upside and will not come back to these levels. So, and yeah, so I will show you this now here in a moment. Let me find the right chart. Yes, so here on the weekly chart, I want to show you this. So no, let me actually show you first something else. So it has also something to do with the weekly chart. So here, this is coinglass.com. So here we can see the funding rate for longs and shorts. And some of you have seen this already in the past on my channel. So and what we can see here is that across most of the exchanges, the last couple of hours and also yesterday, the funding rates are in negative. So and that means that people that are shorting highly over leveraged because these short positions have to pay the people that are actually long. So the fees, the funding fees are paid to the people that are long because the market is right now in disfavor of them, and the shorts have to pay for them. So and you can see here, since yesterday, across the board, since yesterday here, since yesterday morning around 7, most of these exchanges are over leveraged on shorts. So what will happen then? So I can tell you what happens when we have too many shorts and especially over leveraged shorts. We get a short squeeze, and that means that the price will see a massive move to the upside. So when could this be happening? So here comes now the next clue that I have found here. So we can see here clearly that the Bitcoin price action is here in an uptrend on the weekly chart. Let me make this again another color. No, let me actually make this. Oh, you know what? Let me make this orange, and I make this one here actually white. So yeah, so we can see that the Bitcoin price is clearly in an uptrend. Here you can see that. So because the lows that we have are higher lows here, even on a weekly scale. So right here a lower low, then here a higher low, then here another higher low. And today, if this weekly candle closes the way it is right now, it would be another higher low here. So and then when we're looking on the MACD, here we can actually see that the MACD is trending down. And what we see on the stochastic RSI, on the normal RSI is also, the normal RSI is also going down. So what does that tell us? These are two hidden bullish divergences on the weekly chart. So which is insane. We don't have that quite often, that we have a bullish divergence on the MACD and on the RSI on the weekly chart. So and that also is pointing to an not the imminent, but an upcoming massive reversal back to the upside when this hidden bullish divergence is playing out here on the weekly chart. So for this able to be happening is that the MACD here, the blue line has to cross over the red line, and that will be a buy signal, and then we get a smaller red candle. I believe already the next one will be the last one before we flip here green again on the weekly chart. And here on the stochastic RSI, we just have to break above this line here. And the hidden bullish divergence has played out when we break above here, this high point on the stochastic RSI. Then the hidden bullish divergence is completed, and no matter where the price is at that moment. So, but this is right now not what's happening here. So we are almost halfway down from where the RSI has to go. So, and that is obviously really, really good for us. So, because in my opinion, once we are getting to this level where the RSI has to be, Bitcoin will be around the $50,000 mark, in my opinion, or even higher, and most likely completing this bigger W pattern at that given moment in time. So, and that is something that I'm watching closely right now, and that's why I believe that here also in the short term, Bitcoin will start bouncing up from this area here right now. It cannot go much lower than where we are right now. It will not, in my opinion, go here back to $34,000. $35,000 would be still higher, what I have just shown you here on the hourly chart. So $35,000 would be still higher than the previous low. So, and like I said, I'm looking for a long position around $38,000 right now. If we are not getting that low, and we are actually starting to bounce up from here. Then around $41,000 will be the next the next level where I gonna long. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Also, thank you so much for liking the video. If you really enjoyed this video and you want to do me a favor, then please also go and share it with as many people as possible, with your friends, with your parents, with your grandma, if she likes watching YouTube. So, and don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Join my paid Signals channel if you haven't yet, or the normal Telegram channel, and I will see you again tomorrow.